More than 3 years since the closure of the popular Blue Lagoon in Portland, tradesmen are still decrying loss of income as most commercial activities are still on hold. Krista Campbell visited Portland recently and has part 1 of a special primetime news report.
Around a truck and a boat, over puddles, mud, and a pile of stones. That's the trek to get on the original path to the beauty that is Portland's Blue Lagoon. But when TVJ News checked with Port Antonio Mayor Paul Thompson, he said he would send someone to investigate as the area should be freely accessible to the public. Beach access is among a myriad of problems hearsay has been marring the world-famous facility since commercial activities were discontinued and the lagoon was ordered closed in August 2022. The closure was to facilitate repairs and regulate kayaking, rafting, tour boat rides, fishing, craft vending, and other commercial activities. The area had been overrun with persons not approved to carry out some of these activities, so the local tradesmen welcomed the closure. But now they say those issues have been resolved.
We have captains that are certified lifeguard through the organization, and all my members are Team Jamaica certified. I have members that are tour guide certified through TPD and Jamaica National Heritage Trust.
But none of those activities has been cleared to resume at the Blue Lagoon. A boat docked along the shores of the Blue Lagoon beach that fishers say is testament of the pause in business and the loss of income over 3 years after the facility was first ordered closed. Now they tell me the boat has been parked for almost 4 years and there are 3 others like it. But even as they brace for a possible resumption of commercial activities at the lagoon,
the boats are in bad conditions. To license these boats now, to get them up to date would cost like $150,000 right now to get the boats them up to date for fishing or to carry tourists.
Right.
The rain, the hurricane, everything has damaged the boat. The paint, the sun have burnt off the paint. They're in bad conditions right now.
But the tradesmen complain that the loss of business has been bleeding them dry. They maintain the compassionate grants they were given in 2022 was a drop in the bucket of needs they have to meet. And now they note tourists and local visitors are badly affected.
Children are crying, please, can we have a little boat ride? Please, can we have a little bamboo rafting? We have traveled for miles to come here to have a little recreation and absolutely nothing. And we take them out on the water. Here comes the police, the water police and the marine police. They come and we have been arrested for illegal operation because we doesn't have any place to operate from, and TPD does not approve.
I'm saying if there's licenses necessary, the licenses should be issued. But the efforts here does not seem to be fixing a problem. It seems that if they want to kill this kind of business.
I didn't do enough research and I didn't realize boating had been banned at this point. So I was unaware of that. And that might have affected my decision to see parts of the island or maybe not come at all.
In part 2 of this special feature, we hear from the authorities on the 3-year delay in restarting commercial activities at the Blue Lagoon. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.